Number 1. This product. In this video, I'm reviewing the DJI Mini 3 Fly More combo with the DJI RC, and honestly, this drone really surprised me. Right out of the box, you can feel how lightweight and compact it is, under 249 grams, so there's no FAA registration needed for recreational flying, which is a huge plus for beginners like me. The 4K HDR video quality is impressive for a mini drone. The footage looks sharp, colorful, and very stable thanks to the 3-axis gimbal, even when flying in windy conditions. One of my favorite features is true vertical shooting, which makes it perfect for YouTube Shorts, Instagram Reels, and TikTok without cropping. The Fly More combo is absolutely worth it. With 3 batteries, I get up to 114 minutes of total flight time, which means more flying and less waiting. The DJI RC controller with the built-in screen is super convenient. I don't need my phone at all. The 10-kilometer video transmission gives a strong, clear signal, and overall the drone feels very reliable and easy to control. If you're looking for a beginner-friendly drone with professional-looking results, the DJI Mini 3 is a solid choice. And number 2, this product, I tried the Cyma X660 mini drone, and I'm really impressed with how fun and beginner-friendly it is. The 6-color LED lights look awesome in the air, especially at night. One-touch 3D flips and Rotary Ascent make it exciting to fly, even indoors. Headless mode and speed switch help a lot with control. It feels safe, durable, and perfect for kids, beginners, and even adults who just want fun. Number 3. This product. I've been testing the Venix V995 mini drone, and honestly, it's a great pick for kids 14 plus and total beginners. The mini size is perfect for indoor flying, but it's still packed with cool features like 3D flips, 360-degree rotation, circle fly, and headless mode. One key takeoff and auto hover make it super easy to control, even if you've never flown a drone before. I really like that it comes with 3 batteries, giving around 20 minutes of flight time. For the price, this drone is fun, durable, and beginner-friendly. Number 4. This product, I tested the SYMA X660 mini drone, and honestly, it surprised me. The 6-color LED lights look amazing, especially at night, and the one-button 3D flips are super fun and easy. As a beginner, I really liked the headless mode and speed switch. It makes flying stress-free. It feels safe, lightweight, and durable, perfect for kids, but still fun for adults. For the price, this drone delivers big fun in a small package. Hover emoji, sparkles emoji. And number 5. This product. I've been using the Reladol X62 drone for a while now, and honestly, it's a great choice for beginners like me. The 1080p camera does a solid job for the price, especially for casual photos and videos. I really like the foldable design. It's easy to carry anywhere. One key start and altitude holds make flying super simple, even indoors. The gesture control and 3D flips are fun and actually work well. Having 2 batteries is a big plus, giving me more flight time. Overall, this drone is easy to use, fun, and totally worth it for kids and adults starting out.